Okay, so this is a division problem, but it looks a little different. So we have they're called complex fractions. So we have this as the numerator up here, and then this is the denominator down here. And so it's a division problem. The division's right there. So I'm going to rewrite the numerator, 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 over 4x plus 24. And then I'm going to make it multiplication now. And for the blue part, then I've got to flip it. So it's going to be x squared plus x minus 30 over 3x squared minus 14x minus 5. Okay. So that's the multiplication problem then that we're going to have. Now if you want to stop the video now and try to factor all 4 of those polynomials, that would be great. And I'll just go on. So if you stop, then come back and see if you got them factored right. Okay, so I'm going to use trial and error. It's going to be 3x and x. I'm going to need the 2 here and the 1 there. They're both going to be positive. And why does that work? Because I get a 6x and a 1x that will make the 7x. In the denominator, I have a greatest common factor of 4. So we're going to take that out. Okay, then I go over to the other rational expression. The numerator, it's going to factor into x plus 6 and x minus 5. And then in the denominator, I'll go ahead and write this one out. I have a little bit of room. So 3x squared minus 14x minus 5. So if you do the AC method, that's going to be a negative 15. So you want to multiply to be negative 15, but add to be negative 14. And those numbers are going to be 1 and negative 15. So I can write 3x squared minus 1x minus 15x minus 5. And if you find the 2 numbers that are going to do that, multiply to be whatever and add to be whatever, then your grouping should work. So if you make a mistake, well, then there's a mistake, but it should work out for you. Otherwise, you won't be able to find the numbers. Okay, so I factor out an x, that's the greatest common factor there. I'm going to factor out a negative 5 and get 3x plus 1, and that's the mistake I made just right there. Did I miscopy? I had that blue in the way. Let me see. No, it was minus. Okay. Let's see what I did wrong. Oh. No. Oh, I see what I did wrong. It was supposed to be a positive 1x. Sorry about that. You're probably wondering, why did she write that as a negative? I don't know. I don't know why I made that mistake. Okay, it should have been a positive 1x, and that makes the negative 14x. Okay, there, that looks better. Yay, so the parentheses are the same, just when I was talking about how it has to work. So, but fortunately, we caught the mistake. So 3x plus 1, that's the common factor they have, and then x minus 5. And there it is, that's how it factors. So 3x plus 1, x minus 5. And it's a lot of work to get them all factored, but we got them all factored. Now comes the canceling part. So what can we cancel? 3x plus 1's out. X minus 5's are out. X plus 6 is out. Okay, we're just about done. I just have to write the answer. X plus 2 in the numerator. You can put parentheses, but you don't need to. And 4 in the denominator. You can't cancel the 2 and 4, so don't try. 2 is not a factor, okay? All right, because it's x plus 2. All right, so that was that one. Oops.